What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Extreme Salvage. My name is Luis Hernandez, and today we are going to be working on this 2015 Nissan Sentra. As you can see, it's got a little fender bender, nothing major. This car wasn't sold as salvage. It is a clear title, so we just got to do a little bit of alignment on the bumper, clear coat the fender, align the headlight, and that is it. We're also going to do oil change, air filter change. We're gonna inspect the damage because, like I said, this is a clear title vehicle. It is not salvage, so I don't think there's nothing major in there. We do gotta replace one of the tires, so we are gonna go also to the tire shop and get one in. Here are the fluids, like I said, oil change, oil filter, clear coat, and air filter. Let's get to it.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly. Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly.
Alright, you guys, so that is gonna be it for today's episode. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you wanna see more, make sure you subscribe. And as you can see, we managed to align the fender, the headlight, the bumper, everything as best as we could without spending any money at all. We have a new transmission on the car, so the car should be good for another 100,000 miles. The interior looks good, the exterior looks clean. It should be auctioned this Thursday. If you're still watching, thank you so very much for your love and support, and please consider subscribing to our channel. And please comment. I read every single comment and I respond to every single comment. That'll be it for today, guys. We'll see you guys very, very soon on the next one. Peace. God bless. Alright, you guys, so here's how the giveaway is gonna work out. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna buy a car in Copar and we're gonna drive it all the way to Las Vegas and then to the Grand Canyon for a total round trip of about 1,200 miles. We're gonna record the whole process for you guys. It's gonna be hilarious. I promise you that. And then at the end of the journey, we're gonna pick a name from all the comments that we have. We're gonna pick one lucky subscriber and we're gonna give this car away. So please do me a favor. Please like, share this video. Make it happen, guys. We need 1,000 subscribers. I know you can do it. I know you can.